how to create a virtual fitness classes store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform that allows you to create your own online store without any special skills, without any development or programming background. So you'll just need dragging and dropping elements, then you'll have a decent store to start selling. So guys, I'm going to show you first how you can create your account in the platform. So just type Shopify in your search, then click on the first link, which is this one. Then you will proceed to creating your account. So here, just go to your top right, click on start free trial, then enter your email, and then you will have your account created. Then you will proceed to this dashboard. This is where you can change everything about your store. So here in your left, you have all of the important buttons. You have the orders button when you can check all of your orders. As you can see, your orders will show here. Then you have the products. This is where you can see the fulfilled. This is where you can create new products. You can add products in here. You can import the ones that you already have in other sites. For example, some platforms offer you to import products from there without creating new products. For example, we have CG Dropship, Dropify, and many other platforms that allow you to import products from their platforms directly to your store. Then we have the customers. This is where you can see all of your customers. Then we have the analytics. It's where you can see all of your data, the total sales, the sales by channel. You can see your online store sessions, the online store conversion rate as well, the average order value. So you can see all of these things in this section. Then we have the marketing and the discount, and then we have the online store. This is where you're going to change how your store is looking like. So here, by clicking on view your store, you will be able to see how your store is looking like right now. So this is the theme we're using right now. So let's go back, and here we're using Ride. It's our current theme. So our niche is about virtual fitness classes. So let's see if we can find something related to that in these themes. I'm going to remove this theme first. Then scroll down to visit the theme store. This is where you're going to see all of the available themes. Then we're going to choose the one that fits your requirements the most. So here, as you can see, we have 173 themes, and most of them are paid themes, but we have 12 free themes. So let's take advantage of these free themes. Let's see what we can find. We have Sense, it's about skincare. We have Refresh, about hair and skincare as well. Ride, about surfing boards. Down, about handbags, bags. Spotlight, this one is about a studio. Publisher, I think I'm going to check studio first. A stylish theme with special attention to artists and collections. I think this is not the best theme that I can use for my niche. I think I will find publisher more suitable to the fitness classes, the virtual fitness classes store. So here, let's scroll down. Let's see what do we have in here. An event grade theme inspired by independent studios and publishers. Let's click on view demo store in order to see how the theme is looking like. Publisher is an independent studio and gallery offering a curated selection of books, apparel, merch, and accessories. So I think I'm going to use this theme. I find it more suitable to my niche. So let's install it. Just close the first window, you will not need it anymore. And here let's give it a few seconds to be done. Here it's still loading, and here it is. After it's loaded, scroll down, then wait for it to be loaded. Click on publish in order to publish the theme that you've just installed. So here let's click on publish, then scroll up and click on customize in order to change everything about your theme. So guys, the thing that I like most about this platform is that you will not need always to go to your left and then search for the announcement bar, search for the header, or search for anything you'd like to change. You will just be scrolling through the theme. Then whenever you find something that you want to change, for example, I want to change the email list, I will just click on it, then I'm going to change whatever I'd like about it. And the same thing with the other sections. So for example, if I wanted to change the header, I will just click on it, then I will be able to change the placement of the logo. If I want it in the middle left, like this, for example, it will save a lot of space. And here, if you want to the theme settings, here click on the logo and click on select image in order to upload your logo if you have it on your desktop. If not, you can go to export free images in here. Then I'm going to search for fitness. We have fitness and sports. Let's go to this category and let's see a picture that we can use to be our logo. Let's use this one for example. Click on select, then you will have it as your logo, and here by scrolling down you'll be able to change the size or the width of your logo. And here you can also add the fav icon image. And if you're wondering what is the fav icon, it's this one is the one that will be shown in this placement. So here you will just need to take your logo and change the sizes of it, then upload it again in here. Then you will have your fav icon. And just guys, make sure when you're done with making the adjustments to your theme, just make sure to click on save in order to save all of the changes that you've made. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.